All right, everybody, let's go and learn do while loops. A do while loop, it does some block of code first, and then you repeat that block of code if a condition is true. Here is an example. Let's write a program that will ask a user to enter in a positive number. First, we will use a while loop that I will demonstrate how do while loop would be better for the situation. We have an integer. Let's go and first declare our integer that would be int number. Okay. Then I will use while loop to put the condition. Let's go and type number is less than 0. Okay, then I'll type enter the positive number. The statement cout enter the positive number. Okay, then semicolon, then input std standard cin number. Okay, semicolon. First, we will prompt the user to enter a positive number. Then outside of while loop at the end of our program, let's display the number. In order to display the number, let's write std cout here your number then variable name number. Let's save the program and hit run. See what happened. See, your number is 426 because we did not initialize this number, and the value which we are getting, that is a garbage value, right? And if we initialize this less than 0, then it should go here, right? It should go to inside loop, but we are getting the positive to 426. That's why it's just skipping this loop and going and printing this your number is 426 because that is the greater than 0, and the condition is false, and that's why we are getting this. Another way in which we could write this, but it's not the best solution. We can just go ahead and just copy this condition, copy this code and paste above the while loop here, and then Control S, then hit run. See, now it's asking for the number, the input, right? It's asking the enter the positive number. Let's go and just type 1. Your number is 1, right? Now it's asking for the input. Let's go and type something which is less than 1, right? Less than 0, that would be -1. See, now it's repeating the same code. If we will type some positive number, then it will go and give you output. Your number is 123, right? But this is not the correct way because we are repeating the same code again and again. And here the do while loop come in the play. How? Let's go ahead and remove this code. Just comment this, and now we will go ahead and take this line of code and put at the end of here, and we can go ahead and we can type here do, and then Control S. We can write in this way. We have to make sure that you have to use the semicolon right here and do while loop. Why we are using this? Because this does not that code does not work, but there is a much better way, that is this way. We need to run this block of code once and then repeat it if this condition is true. If this condition is true, then we can repeat that block of code, right? Let's just run the program. See, now we have directly entered the positive number because this line of code is executing first. Okay, then this condition is going to be happen. First, let's go and type any number 1, 2, 3, right? Your number is 1, 2, 3. Let's type something which is less than 0. Okay, just type -1. See what happened. -1 is less than 0, right? That's why it's asking for, it's repeating the same block of code. Let's type -23. Again, it's asking for enter the positive number because we are entering less than 0, and then it's going and repeating the same things, doing the same thing again and again. Just type minus anything, whatever you want. Type -234 again, right? Let's type something which is positive, 222. There you are. Your number is 222, right? So that's a do while loop. You do some block of code first, then you repeat it again if the condition is true. Isn't an optional way to repeat some code? One good use of a do while loop that comes to mind, maybe we are playing a game and we would like to run the game once. At the end of the game, a user can choose if they would like to play it again based on the user input. If they would like to play again, we can run the game once more time, and we can repeat. So that's a do while loop, everybody. And that's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching. Uh, Please do like and subscribe the channel.